Guys, in this video you're going to see me and the air conditioning guy going for shopping. Guys, let me tell you. Guys, I thought that air conditioning, it doesn't cost, okay, the air conditioning itself, you know, the machine itself, I know it costs, yeah, it's very expensive in Ghana. And I think everywhere air conditioning is expensive. I thought, you know, when you're gonna fix air conditioning, they just have to come and, you know, the walls open to open somewhere for us to fix where the air conditioning is supposed to be. What do I know, guys? To my surprise, the air conditioning was very expensive, guys. Very, very expensive. The pipe itself, there is a cost of pipes. But actually, in this video, you're gonna see that me and the air conditioning man going for shopping for the pipes for the air conditioning and a whole lot things that he needed to really put the air conditioning through the line through before we do the plastering the building. But guys, follow me. Let's go for shopping. You're gonna see, guys, it's very expensive. I was surprised. I was shocked. But anyway, follow me. Let's go for shopping. Let's go and see all the things that we're gonna buy. Let's do it.
Let me open it up so you can take a picture. What?
I'm taking a video.
A video. What's that look?
Said I don't care about them.
And I don't say what it is.
It will go with. Also, they say how far from.
Yeah.
Enterprise on Pepper City.
Cash.
How much time the amount?
That's 400.
400. I've already given you
100 cities.
so 500.
Yeah, making it 500.
Exactly. In the back. Say, you money, mommy. To be honest, like, I'm from Regiment Diagos. It's a business, yeah. And here is the professionalism. And here is the crowd. Oh, many to be honest.
Jump your mind. Yeah, let glass and shine not good.
Can you please tell my viewers what you are doing now?
Yes, like recovering the pipe now.
And what exactly what are you doing? Like, what is it?
Like it's like masonry.
But it's air conditioning that you're fixing, right?
Yeah. Air conditioning. Yeah.
Because they will not know that. Yeah. Because a lot of people doesn't know. They think air conditioning is just like that.
No.
But it comes with a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how they do it. You just fixing the pipes. Or, is it pipes?
Yeah, copper pipes.
Copper pipes inside the walls. Yeah. It's fixing the air conditioning at the same time, a little bit messy also.
Yep.
Yep.
I said that machine now I'm going to catch yourself.
Well, yeah, you're fix air condition.
More than I'm fixing
24 hours.
Sir,
I never plaster. In your mouth, you lay pipes now. The big man fix air conditioner. Fix air conditioner.
sir,
You have to like carpenter boss.
Wow, am I?
machine, I'm going to say, I can say about to toss out.
To be away,
Yeah.
You were cussing and you said cussing.
And please, if you are watching me right now and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, and so that you can get any updates that we're gonna have from the house. Guys, if you wanna finish in the house, guys, you just follow me. I'm gonna make it step by step. Follow me and check out the videos. Any video that we're gonna put it on there, it's about the house, and you're gonna see the improvement, any update that we have. So guys, follow me and check out the videos, and thank you for watching. I love you guys. Mwah.